One of the biggest hassles in managing a complex network is configuration management. You have to manage and keep track of all the different configurations for each of your devices on that network. MXview simplifies this process with Configuration Center, which I can access by clicking on Tools and then Configuration Center. That opens up my Configuration Center interface. Let me show you how to export a device configuration. I'll just click the Export from Device button. I'm going to choose a folder in which to save my configuration files. Let's just save it in my demo folder. And then I can select all of my devices to export a configuration from. I'll go ahead and remove my SNMP device because that's not really relevant. And then I'll just click Export. I can watch MXview export each of these devices' configurations. And now when I click on that device, I can see a history of each of the configuration files that I've already exported. And in fact, I can even compare two different configuration files from the same device or even different devices if that's what I wanted to do. I'll click the Compare button. In here, I've got my two configuration files side by side, and they're color-coded so I can see where the configuration file has changed or where new configuration entries have been inserted. You can also see there's a summary of the number of changes and insertions at the top there. Let me go ahead and close all these windows to show you a new tool, the Job Scheduler. Under Tools, Job Scheduler. And I'll go ahead and add a new job. What the Job Scheduler allows me to do is to automate certain configuration backup tasks. For example, I can set MXview 2.1 to automatically back up the configuration of all of my devices on a weekly or daily schedule. Let's go ahead and create a new job. We'll do a daily export of configuration files. I've gone ahead and given it a name. Let's click the Next button, and let's just select one device to automatically schedule a daily backup for. So let's select the daily option, and we'll give it a time at 2300 hours, 11 p.m. And we'll just hit the Add button, and it tells us that we've successfully added this job. So now I can see that once a day at 11 p.m., MXview will automatically export the configuration from that particular device. That will save me a lot of time because that means that I don't have to go through and manually back up these configuration files every time I need to do it. I can let MXview do the work for me using the Job Scheduler. That's Configuration Center and Job Scheduler. MXview 2.1 includes all sorts of really neat new features to make life easier for industrial operators that want to harness the full power of industrial network management software. Thanks for watching.